Okay, good morning class. Now that we're all settled down, we can begin. So, as you know, over the past few weeks we've been looking at Indigenous Australians and specifically Aboriginal people. And last week we looked very specifically at the Boonwurrung community. And why did we do that? Does anyone remember why we looked at the Boonwurrung community? Yep. Yeah, they are our local community. They are the traditional owners of the land that the school is on, that we are on right now. So, as you can see in front of you, we've got a Venn diagram up on the interactive whiteboard, and on the left we've got language, on the right we have culture. Now I know that we did a bit of culture last week, we did quite a bit on culture last week, so this shouldn't be new to you and you should have lots of different ideas. Language, we're still a bit new on, we did a little bit on Friday, but not as much, but you still should know a few things about language. Now, I know that we're going to need help. Even Miss Phillips is going to need help. So, this here, up on the board, this is Bruce Pascoe. He is actually an elder of the Boonwurrung community. He's a writer and he's just a very well-educated man. And he's going to talk, we're just going to watch the first 10 seconds of this video as he discusses language and culture, and that bit in the middle where the two intersect, that's where we're going to need the most help. Okay, so just watch the first 10 seconds.
Aboriginal language, like any language, is the centre of the culture. So if you don't...
Okay. So what did he just say there? Yeah? Yeah, so it's the centre of the culture. So what I'm going to do is I'll put that in... Where do you think that should go in our Venn diagram? Yeah, exactly. It's something that intersects both, so language and culture. Language, as Bruce said, acts as the centre of the culture. So, centre of the culture. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to watch the rest of that video. But first, I want everyone to go back to their tables. You have the exact same Venn diagram on the table, just on a A4 piece of paper. And what we're going to do is, just sitting at your normal chairs, I just want you to get a grey lead pencil, put the headings in, language and culture, okay? And then what we're going to do is you're going to direct your view back to the board here, and we're all going to watch the rest of the video, and from that, we're going to be helping each other. After that, you can talk to your friend, but not while the video's on. After that, helping each other, and I'll be walking around the class to help as well. We're going to fill out the Venn diagram. But you just have to remember all the things we learnt last week, okay? And the things that intersect. And Bruce is going to be here on our little video to help us fill them out. Okay, so you can go back to your tables now and collect up your Venn diagrams.